Hi guys, back here with Jay Science Moments. Today we're gonna make a lava lamp with no Alka-Seltzer tablets. Cause what happens if you get sick? You're gonna need them. And I'm working with glass here. This is a glass stirrer and a glass cup. Alright, so everything's mostly glass except for the food coloring and my metal thing that has 2 of the ingredients. So have adult supervision with this. Make sure you don't drop anything or knock anything over and break it. But let's get on with it. So the first thing I have to do is pour this oil in, vegetable oil. So I will slowly pour that in. I have to make sure it all gets out. Perfect. I might get a little bit messy if you spill anything on accident, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm adding the vinegar.
Slowly. Whoa, slow.
Slowly, I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so now we got the oil and vinegar here. We're gonna stir it very lightly since I'm using glass. I need to stir it. If you notice that I'm not touching the edges because I don't want to hit anything and crack it with this thing in, so let's keep on with it. Stop. Now that I've done that, I'm going to add my drops of food coloring here. I'm going to do 3. My first one, oh gosh, I don't know if I can't get it open. Oh, thank you. My assistant here is going to help me open these. I think we've already got it on our hands. So I'm gonna add a few drops. So I might have added a little too much vinegar, but when we put the baking soda in, let's see what happened. I'm gonna add a little more color. I have to take this off right now. Okay, so while I'm taking this off, actually, I'm gonna have my assistant here help me take it off. Okay, she took that off, and I'm not trying to spill it because this is yellow, and I don't need yellow hands right now. So I'm gonna open this gently. Is that?
Not sure how that happened.
I'm gonna gently pour some in. I'm just gonna put 3 drops. I need to add a little bit more green since I only put like a drop in. I need 2 more drops of green. Okay, now for the last color, red. 1 drop, 2 drops. I hope cool things start happening sooner or later, but I'm gonna now mix these a little bit better, okay? Maybe not actually. Okay, I'm gonna add the baking soda and water. Oh no!
Whoa!
Why did it have to be a chemical reaction? I thought it was just a normal lava lamp, not a chemical reaction. So all it did was make it foamy. So basically, if you add too much of the vinegar and you add the baking soda, it kind of creates a crazy chemical reaction that's more like a volcano than a lava lamp. On our next round, we're going to come back and actually do the lava lamp, not the giant explosion volcano. Okay, so while I was pouring it out, I found out because of all the different liquids of density that it can triple layered, and it's super cool because of the vinegar and the oil layers on top of water, and then the food coloring made its own layer at the bottom, which is amazing. See you guys in like a minute so I can do the other one. Okay guys, round 2. I got a smaller cup. I'm gonna keep the logo. I got more oil, and a dropper because last time the reason a chemical reaction happened is because I put too much vinegar. So right now I'm gonna pour some of the oil into the cup. Get all the oil in there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use the dropper. And assistant, how many drops? Okay. That. Okay. Okay, so it's already forming bubbles when I'm still putting some in. I need to get the exact amount before I put it in. Otherwise, it'll cause the other chemical reaction that we just did like a minute ago. So, it's forming a lot of bubbles. So I'm gonna keep adding until it's good. Yay. It's really forming bubbles. It's really cool. It is super cool. This is like, it's kind of hard when you keep having to drop it in every 5 minutes, but I think I'm done. Now I'm gonna add my food coloring of my choice. I'm gonna go with green because it's my favorite color. I'm only gonna put a little bit in because a little can go a long way. And pop. I didn't mean that. So I'm putting it in. I might need to do another drop because I put a little too less because I don't need a big drop. Pop. Okay, so you actually can see the food coloring separating from the bubbles at the bottom, but it's starting to kick in right there. I need more because I put a little too less again. I put the wrong one on accident. Okay, now I'm gonna add the yellow food coloring. In 3, 2, 1, pop. So this should start kicking in. Sooner or later, I'm gonna go like that a little bit to get the food coloring down. Okay, so I had to get a better camera angle so you guys could see it better. But now I'm gonna be adding the baking soda and water for this experiment. So let me just mix that up real quick to go so I don't just pour a buttload of water in instead of the baking soda. So now that I've gotten them mixed up, I'm only gonna pour a little bit at a time. That's good, I guess. That's cool. That is cool. Maybe a little bit more would do because it's kind of a small lava lamp. Now that is very cool. That is amazing. Or have it explode. Oh! I didn't explode. Oh, it's coming bigger. It's going bigger. Oh no, it just looks like a black web. Okay, so now that I poured the rest of the vinegar in, now it just looks like gold specks. I don't think I'll add more color because I think I've added a lot to it, but okay, so if you look very closely, it really looks like outer space. It is insane and it's very foamy. That is it for today. It layered again. It literally layered again. The other one layered too, which was kind of unexpected, but this one is insanely cool. Like super, super insane. Okay, guys, this is it. See you guys next time on Jay Sands Moment. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.